Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make easy homemade blueberry jam with only 3 ingredients. First up is 2.5 cup frozen blueberries. Then go ahead and stir it up a bit and cover it, then let it simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes. Make sure to mix continuously or else it will burn. Turn your heat on to medium or 7. Then smash it until you have a good consistency. Add in 4 tablespoons chia seed to give it a good texture, then stir this together. Then you can add 3 tablespoons maple syrup to just give it a little bit of sweetness and mix it. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup because the type of blueberries I'm using is very sour. You can add to your liking. So after a few minutes, you should have a nice good consistency that you like it. I'm going to leave it for about 2 to 4 more minutes to get a little thicker. These are the finishing results. You can add it to your parfait or to your sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below what my next video should be about. Hit the notification bell, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you all next Sunday. Bye!